but you guys train on this type of pitches. You know, I respect that. It's not easy. The ball bounces too much, so it takes too much time sometimes to control. But how we can resolve it? I think most of the pitches in the league are turf, right? AstroTurf. Maybe it might be better. So I'm brainstorming with everybody behind the scenes now that I've showed my face here, and I try to do my best to make things change. But you guys do good. 3 points. You guys need 3 points to catch up with the other team. It's one game. And how many games are left? 3 games left. The first round. Ah, okay. Okay. So you guys have time. I like what I see. Keep going. Never give up. I respect all of you guys that show up to train every day. And I try to arrange something for the team to maybe play a friendly game against my team in Brazil. But you know, I come back to that with the coach and everything. You know, it's in the plans. So let's hope we can make it happen, so that you guys also can showcase your talent in these friendly games.